Looking for a dependable knife for your next camping trip, bushcraft adventure, or emergency preparedness kit? This video is your one-stop shop. In this video, we'll be dissecting their durability, performance, and overall value. Get ready for in-depth reviews and discover the ultimate fixed-blade companion for your next outdoor adventure. Tough Knives War Toad. The War Toad is a robust fixed-blade knife designed specifically for hunting and camping enthusiasts. When a backcountry hunter gearing up for an expedition in pursuit of large game considers every ounce, this ultralight fixed blade is a must-have. Tailored for handling larger big game animals, this lightweight hunting knife boasts CPM Crewwear steel with a select edge application, ensuring a razor-sharp edge. The addition of an orange Cerakote finish provides high visibility, while the carbon fiber construction ensures an uncompromised lightweight feel. The vibrant orange coating not only enhances visibility but also minimizes the risk of losing the knife in outdoor settings. For convenient carrying, the knife comes with a Balcheron sheath designed for easy belt attachment. Gerber Ultimate Knife. At the heart of the Gerber is the MagnaCut stainless steel blade, renowned for its remarkable strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The robust, partially serrated blade, comfortable grip, multifunctional plastic sheath with flint and sharpener, are all you need on the trail. Fixed full-tang blade with drop point profile, made of stainless steel 7CR, has a partially serrated edge. This knife ensures robustness and reliability in the field. For easy and safe storage, the Gerber comes with a sleek black Kydex sheath. This durable and form-fitting sheath provides quick access to your knife while keeping it protected when not in use. The G10 bulletproof handle not only adds a touch of rugged elegance but also ensures a secure grip, allowing you to tackle your hunting challenges with confidence. Benchmade Bug-Out Axis. Bug-Out Axis knife is a smaller version of the popular Bug-Out model. It features a white Grivory handle and a black blade with a plain cutting edge. Just like the Bug-Out, it offers a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it ideal for everyday carry and various outdoor activities. The high-performance CPM S30V blade has a partial swedge for a finer point and black dual thumb studs for easy one-handed operation. The Grivory handle is textured on both sides for a secure grip without being harsh on your hand. Additionally, it includes a large lanyard hole and a reversible deep carry clip for convenient everyday carry. SOG Seal Strike. Now let's introduce you to the SOG Seal Strike, a top-notch tactical knife. This bad boy not only rocks a killer design but also delivers unbeatable performance. It's the perfect choice, whether you want to treat yourself or impress someone with an awesome gift. The Seal Strike is serious business and carries on the tradition of supplying the world's elite military forces. Talking about sharpness, the Seal Strike has a clip-point shape and a partially serrated edge, making it super versatile. And let's not forget about the glass-reinforced nylon handle with its deep finger notch for an unbeatable grip, no matter what you're up against. Be at the ready with the fully capable Seal Strike. Gerber Strongarm. Introducing the Strongarm, a tough-as-nails fixed-blade knife that's all about raw power. This bad boy is not only strong but also super nimble and a breeze to handle. With its awesome over-molded rubber grip, you can bet this baby won't slip from your grasp, no matter how wet or dry things get. Get ready to conquer any challenge with the Strongarm. This bad boy boasts a 4.8-inch drop-point stainless steel blade, perfect for all your tactical, industrial, and outdoor shenanigans. With its 420 high carbon construction, it's a rust-resistant beast that'll outshine your other knives any day. Who needs a fashion show when you've got a knife? This bad boy comes with a multi-mount sheath that's as versatile as your wardrobe. Attach it to a maul mount, rock it vertically on your belt, or get creative and go horizontal. Aori L-Max. The quality of LMAX is premium because it isn't mass-produced. It's born, not built, by the calloused hands of masters who speak the language of blade and bark. After all, it's an exquisite handmade knife that showcases artistry and craftsmanship. Its sole is K390 steel, known for its exceptional hardness and edge retention, cold forged to hold an edge that laughs at wear. Hack, chop, carve, for the LMAX it's just a child's play. The blade offers remarkable durability and resilience, making it well suited for demanding cutting tasks in various outdoor situations. The handle provides an ergonomic grip that feels comfortable and secure in hand, allowing for precise control and minimizing fatigue during extended use. The natural grain and rich tones of the wood add an elegant touch to the knife's overall aesthetic. No masterpiece deserves a cardboard box. The Puako sleeps in a hand-stitched sheath, as rugged as its bearer. Leather whispers against steel, a lullaby for a blade born to sing in the wind. Tops Knives Apache Dawn. The Tops Knives Apache Dawn is a classic design knife that is versatile for various applications. Its rugged construction combined with its thoughtful design features makes it a reliable and versatile tool for a variety of cutting tasks. With its optimal weight, this knife strikes the perfect balance between heft, speed and length, making it an excellent all-around combat field knife. The Apache Dawn features a long blade that can handle heavy tasks with ease. Crafted from 1095 blade steel, the knife offers durability and strength required in demanding situations. Its blade design boasts a nice belly to the tip, making it particularly efficient for the survival scenario. The Apache Dawn serves as a versatile replacement. It can fulfill the functions typically attributed to tools like hatchets or machetes, reducing the need to carry multiple items and lightening your load. The Apache Dawn truly excels in performance. So that was all about the 7 best fixed blade knives. Which one are you getting, and why? Let us know in the comments section below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video useful.